In this video, you will see two native plants that are very easy to propagate. One is the red twig dogwood and the other is a viburnum. Red twig dogwoods are found naturally along stream banks. They hold stream banks well, even when fully inundated by water. The red twig dogwood will hold the stream bank together well for you, and with its nice bright red stems, when especially kept trimmed hard, are very pleasing and a great landscape. An easy way to propagate the red twig dogwood is just to take the stem cuttings and stick them into a moist peat soil and keep them moist for a period of time until they root out. And then you can transplant them into a larger pot to grow them out. This is a native viburnum found in the woods near our farm. And this viburnum too is also easy to propagate from cuttings.
These are arrowwood viburnums that my dad cut from in the creek where our farm is at, and their name arrowwood comes from the fact that they're so straight. That one's a really good example of a straight one. So what happens is when the viburnum starts to grow, it starts to send suckers out from the base, and those bases of the suckers grow straight up just like this, that's coming out right out of the plant. And the Native Americans used to cut these and use these as arrows to go hunting with. So that's why they're called arrowwood, because the wood is used as an arrow.
And now what are we going to use it for?
I think my dad's going to do cuttings, which is, I believe, is what this is right here. So he wants to cut them and put them into a hormone. Oh, you want me to do it? Alright. So when you do these guys for cuttings, it's probably best to cut right above a bud, and then maybe take the blade and score it so you get down to the real wood. And I don't know where the rooting hormone is, but something just like that, and then you dunk that in the rooting hormone and you stick it. Many times they actually even make the cuttings even smaller than that. Many times they make cuttings that size. Starting out size of the cutting a bigger cutting does not mean better results. It has more to do with how well it calluses and how well the scion wood that you're using is used, or how healthy it is. And then you just stick it in there, keep it moist, and you should be good to go.
Okay, and Mike, what kind of viburnums do we sell here?
I know we sell arrowwood, Mohican, leatherleaf, double file. There's probably a couple other
Prague.
ones. Yeah, there's Prague. We have Prague. And if we don't have those, we could usually get them in from one of our neighbors.
And usually we also have summer snowflake.
So, yes, in pots.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much, Mike. And what's your telephone number if people have questions about viburnums?
Sure. My cell phone number is 267-446-2376.
Thank you.
After the small viburnums are rooted out, we put them in a 3-gallon pot and then have them ready for sale at Highland Hill Farm. We're on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA, and we stock a lot of native plants that we've propagated from stick cuttings that you've seen in this video. If you need help with plant selections, call us at Highland Hill Farm. We'd be glad to offer assistance.